From $100,000 to $28 million, the true cost of a Caterpillar. What if I told you that this little guy and this monster are both made by the same company, but one costs more than a private jet? From $100,000 to a jaw-dropping $28 million, the price range for a Caterpillar machine is staggering. But what are you actually getting for that money? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the true cost of these yellow giants, from a backyard workhorse to a mining behemoth that literally moves mountains. We're about to break down machines that cost more than a mansion. If you love seeing how these incredible pieces of engineering work and what they really cost, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what we're digging up next. Section 1, the entry point, the compact powerhouses. All right, let's start at the affordable end of the Caterpillar spectrum. And I use the term affordable very loosely. We're beginning with the machines you might see in your own neighborhood, carving out a new pool or laying utility lines. These are the compact but shockingly mighty mini excavators. First up, the Caterpillar 308. Think of this as the versatile athlete of the construction world. It's nimble enough for tight residential jobs, but strong enough for serious work. So what's the price for that kind of flexibility? A brand new Cat 308 will set you back somewhere between $150,000 and $220,000, depending on the options. For that, you get a machine that weighs around 20,000 pounds, roughly the same as 4 sedans stacked on top of each other. It's powered by a 70 horsepower engine and can dig down nearly 15 feet. Its real superpowers are its compact size and short tail swing, which let it work right up against a building without scraping the walls. It's the perfect tool for landscaping, trenching, and even light demolition in crowded urban spaces. Thanks to its advanced hydraulics, it can run a whole suite of attachments, from hammers to augers, turning it into a true multi-tool. But what if you need just a bit more muscle in a similar frame? That's where its slightly bigger brother, the Cat 309, steps in. For a price tag of around $170,000 to $250,000, you get a machine in the 22,000-pound class, also packing a 70 horsepower engine. It offers a similar digging depth to the 308, but is built to handle heavier work and larger attachments. The 309 is a favorite for utility jobs where you need to lift and place heavier pipes or materials, and it's designed for all-day efficiency to keep operating costs from getting out of hand. Of course, that initial price is just the cover charge. In this industry, total cost of ownership is everything. For these mini excavators, you have to factor in fuel, regular maintenance like oil and filter changes that can run several $100s a pop, and eventual part replacements. The good news? These smaller machines are known for their incredible resale value, often holding a huge chunk of their initial cost if they're well maintained, making them a solid investment for any contractor. Section 2, the workhorses, small and mid-size excavators. Now we're climbing the ladder, leaving the backyard and heading to bigger construction sites. This is the world of small and mid-size excavators, the true bread and butter of the construction industry. These are the unsung heroes building our roads, digging foundations for our skyscrapers, and shaping the world around us. Let's start with the Cat 313. This machine is a serious step up. Weighing in at around 34,000 pounds, a new one costs between $250,000 and $350,000. It strikes a great balance between power and a smaller footprint, making it perfect for road work, utility trenching, and general site prep. It can dig down about 20 feet and is often equipped with buckets holding up to a cubic yard of material. Its main advantage is fitting into job sites where a bigger machine would be too clumsy. But if the 313 is the all-rounder, the Cat 315 is its more powerful cousin. With a price from $350,000 to $450,000, the 315 is in the same 34,000-pound weight class, but brings a beefier 110 horsepower engine and better hydraulics. This lets it handle tougher digging and more demanding attachments, making it a go-to for medium-duty grading and trenching. Need to go bigger? Say hello to the Cat 317. Now we're in the 40,000-pound class, and this machine will run you somewhere between $300,000 and $420,000. For that, you get another power bump to 130 horsepower and a digging depth of over 21 feet. The Cat 317 is a beast for foundation work and road repairs. It's wide enough to be stable, but still compact enough for city construction sites, which is a huge reason it holds its resale value so well. And now for one of the most iconic models Cat has ever made, the 320. If you've ever driven past a construction site, you've probably seen one of these in action. Costing between $400,000 and $550,000, this 50,000-pound machine is the definition of a mid-size excavator. It's famous for its incredible balance of power and fuel efficiency. Modern versions use up to 25% less fuel than older models, which is a massive deal when you're running it all day. The 320 can dig 22 feet down with buckets that carry over 2 cubic yards of dirt. But what really sets the 320 apart is the tech. It comes standard with systems like Cat Grade with 2D, which helps operators create perfect slopes and grades without any guesswork, making the job go way faster. As these machines get bigger, that total cost of ownership becomes a much bigger deal. Fuel is a huge expense. Maintenance gets more complicated. One owner of a similar class machine, the Cat 323, estimated his maintenance cost at around $20 an hour. And that's before fuel or paying the operator. That adds up to thousands of dollars a year in just routine upkeep. But the payoff is pure productivity. These machines move so much dirt so fast that they pay for themselves by getting jobs done ahead of schedule. Section 3, the heavy hitters, bridging construction and quarrying. We've just crossed the $500,000 mark, and we're now in the territory of truly heavy-duty machinery. These aren't just for digging foundations anymore. These are the machines that clear entire forests, work in quarries, and handle massive infrastructure projects. The scale, power, and price are all about to take a giant leap. First up is the Caterpillar 330. This excavator is a powerhouse, weighing around 75,000 pounds. To get behind the controls of a new Cat 330, you'll need a budget between $600,000 and $800,000. For that, you get a machine with a potent 270 horsepower engine that can dig nearly 25 feet deep. The buckets on a machine this size are huge, holding over 3 cubic yards of material. That's enough to fill the bed of a standard pickup truck in a single scoop. The 330 is a common sight on large-scale road projects, valued for its raw power and bulletproof reliability. But Cat offers another giant in this same class with a slightly different skill set. The Cat 336. Priced from $650,000 to $850,000, the 336 weighs a hefty 80,000 pounds and is driven by an engine putting out over 300 horsepower. This thing is a productivity monster. It's packed with tech designed to maximize output in the toughest conditions. It comes standard with systems like Cat Payload, which weighs each bucket in real time to make sure trucks are loaded perfectly, eliminating wasted trips from underloading or costly fines from overloading. Caterpillar claims this tech alone can boost productivity by up to 45%. The 336 is built for heavy-duty digging in quarries where moving massive amounts of material as fast as possible is the name of the game. When you own a machine like a 336, you're not just an operator, you're managing a major asset. The purchase price is just the entry fee. The true cost includes that price, all the operating costs like fuel and labor, and all maintenance costs minus what you get back when you sell it. A major repair on a machine this size, like an engine rebuild or replacing the undercarriage, can cost anywhere from $5,000 to over $30,000. That's why many owners buy extended warranties, which add to the price but can save them from a catastrophic repair bill down the road. The fuel consumption alone is staggering. Even though it's efficient for its size, a machine like this working under a heavy load can burn through dozens of gallons of diesel every hour. Over a year, fuel costs can easily run into the tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. But the return on that investment comes from its sheer capability. These excavators are designed to work in a perfect rhythm with huge off-road dump trucks, creating a non-stop cycle of digging and hauling that forms the backbone of any major earth-moving project. Section 4. The $1 Million Club, entering the world of mining. We are now crossing a monumental threshold. We're leaving traditional construction behind and entering the world of serious mining and mass excavation. The machines from here on out don't just dig, They reshape landscapes, and their price tags are just as massive. Welcome to the $1 Million Club. Our first entry is the Caterpillar 349. This is where the numbers start to get a little crazy. A new Cat 349 excavator carries a price tag between $1.2 and $1.8 million. For that, you get a machine weighing over 105,000 pounds, and that's more than 50 tons. It's powered by a C13 Acert engine that churns out a colossal 424 horsepower. The sheer scale is hard to wrap your head around. It can dig 25 feet down, but its power is the real story. The buckets for the 349s are enormous, holding up to 6 cubic yards in extreme duty applications. To put that in perspective, a single scoop from this excavator could be holding over 10 tons of solid rock. You won't find a 349 digging a swimming pool. These machines are deployed in large quarries, mines, and for mass excavation on huge infrastructure projects. They specialize in breaking and loading rock, often armed with powerful attachments like hydraulic hammers that can smash through concrete like it's glass. The resale value of the 349 is legendary, especially in the demolition world, where its power and durability are in high demand. Owning a machine like this is a completely different game. That initial price, which can be close to $2 million, is just the beginning. The operating costs are immense. When you're running a 424 horsepower engine under constant load, the fuel bill is astronomical. Maintenance is a continuous, meticulously scheduled process because a single day of downtime for a machine this size can cost a company hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost production. The logistics are on another level too. You don't just drive a 105,000-pound excavator to a job site. It has to be hauled on specialized multi-axle trucks, often requiring police escorts and special permits. Buying a Cat 349 is a major strategic investment for a company, a decision based on long-term production targets and cost per ton calculations. But as we're about to see, even a price tag of nearly $2 million is just a stepping stone. Section 5. The Titans, the mega mining shovels. We've talked about machines that cost as much as a luxury home. We've seen excavators that cost more than a supercar. But now we're entering a league that defies normal comparison. These are not just machines, they are mobile industrial plants. These are Caterpillar's hydraulic mining shovels, and they cost tens of millions of dollars. Let's start with the smaller of the two Titans, the Caterpillar 6060. To call this machine big is a profound understatement. The Cat 6060 has an operating weight of around 600 tons. That's 1.2 million pounds. It's not a machine, it's a building that moves. The price for this behemoth is hard to pin down since they're custom ordered, but you're looking at a starting point of around $10 million to $15 million, and it can go much higher from there. The 6060 is powered by two massive engines that together produce over 3,000 horsepower. It's designed to do one thing: move colossal amounts of earth in the world's biggest mines. Its bucket isn't measured in yards, it's measured in tons. The standard payload is 67 tons. Let me say that again. In a single scoop, the Cat 6060 can lift 67 tons of rock. That's the equivalent of lifting about 45 cars at once. This machine is so large that it is built to be the perfect dance partner for 240-ton capacity mining trucks, like the Cat 793. It can fill one of these gigantic trucks in just 4 passes. The efficiency of this pairing is the foundation of modern high-production mining. Every part of the 6060 is engineered for extreme durability, because in this world, downtime is not an option. But even the mighty 6060 stands in the shadow of its bigger brother, the king of all hydraulic excavators, the largest machine Caterpillar makes. Section 6. The king, the Caterpillar 6090 FS. This is it, the absolute pinnacle of earth-moving power, the Caterpillar 6090 FS. This machine doesn't just have its own class, it defines the very limit of what's possible with hydraulic power. Let's start with the price because it's a number that's hard to wrap your head around. Pinning down an exact figure is difficult as these are custom built, but a new Caterpillar 6090 FS is estimated to cost between $20 and $30 million, with some sources suggesting the price can climb even higher. For that price, you could buy a pre-owned Gulfstream G650 private jet. You are buying a piece of yellow iron that is worth more than one of the most iconic private jets in the world. So what do you get for up to $30 million? You get a machine that weighs 1,100 US tons. That's 2.2 million pounds. It's the weight of nearly 200 fully grown African elephants. It is, quite simply, the largest hydraulic excavator in the world. It's powered by two colossal Cummins QSK60 engines. Together, they generate an almost unbelievable 4,500 horsepower. To keep these monsters fed, the 6090 FS can burn through over 900 gallons of diesel in a single workday. Its hydraulic tank alone holds about 3,400 gallons of oil. But the most staggering statistic of all is its bucket. The standard bucket on the 6090 FS is designed for a payload of nearly 94 tons. In one single scoop, the 6090 FS can lift almost 100 tons of material. That is more than the weight of a Boeing 737 airplane. This machine is so powerful that it can fill Caterpillar's largest mining truck, the 400-ton capacity 797F, in just 4 or 5 passes. Think about that cycle. A 4,500 horsepower engine driving a system that lifts 100 tons of rock, swings it over, and dumps it into a truck the size of a house. And it does this every few minutes, all day, every day. These machines operate in the most extreme environments on Earth, from the iron ore mines of Australia to the copper pits of Chile. They aren't sold at a local dealership. They are manufactured, shipped in dozens of pieces on cargo ships and trucks, and assembled on site over several weeks by a specialized team. Buying a 6090 FS is part of a multi-year strategic plan for a global mining corporation, an investment that is central to the profitability of an entire mine. It's a machine built to move mountains, and for a price tag of nearly $30 million, that is exactly what it does. Conclusion. From a $150,000 mini excavator that can sculpt a backyard to a multi-million-dollar monster that can fill a 400-ton mining truck in a few scoops, the world of Caterpillar is a showcase of incredible engineering and mind-blowing costs. Each machine is a purpose-built tool, a calculated investment designed to deliver a specific amount of raw, earth-moving power. The true cost isn't just the sticker price. It's a complex equation of fuel, maintenance, and the immense value of getting the job done. So, which machine was your favorite? The versatile 320, the $1 million 349, or the absolute king, the 6090 FS? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the world of heavy machinery, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.